Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step like how to answer your ARI wallet. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for ARI wallet, so here it is. So let's go together. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go together. So let's click on testnet. Since we're on testnet, so let's click on checking our daily points. So great. So let's go for a daily quiz here. So today's quiz is advanced. What is the total supply curve of altcoin? So they are asking what is the total supply of Bitcoin. So our total supply of Bitcoin, it is not at height as people think, like it is as wider, like it's very transparent. So the total supply of Bitcoin is B, which is 21 million BTC. So Bitcoin has a very smallest circulation supply. That is the reason that the Bitcoin will be very like short and very expensive. So let's click on checking since it is the greatest of all time. So congratulations for us, we have answers a correct answer for a week straight and an additional 30 ARI. So congratulations to me. So I've earned an additional for 30 ARI ARI token. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you